this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link inside your email in Sendgrid. In order to do that, first head over to sendgrid.com. It's currently under by Twilio. From in there, proceed to click onto the Start for Free option in order to create your account. If you already have an account, you can just proceed to click onto the Sign In option that we can see right here. So I have in here this article from Twilio themselves about SendGrid and how to do the unsubscribe option. You first need to head over and then create an unsubscribe group. Select the marketing on your left sidebar and click on unsubscribe groups option that will appear. From in there, click onto this create new group and add a group name from there and group description. So do take note that your group name and group descriptions need to be customer friendly. So for your group name, I can suggest that you can actually name it as unsubscribe, and for group description, just name it as people who want to unsubscribe. Select the checkbox if you want the unsubscribe group to display on the unsubscribe preferences page and click on save unsubscribe group. Now you can actually add this to your email by doing this option. On the design editor, select your preferred unsubscribe group by clicking the settings and selecting the groups from recipients. From the build tab, drag the unsubscribe module to insert center information, usually on the footer and having the tag of this. You can also add the manual hyperlink, which is this code right here on the tag, and enter the text that you would like to link, typically unsubscribe. You can highlight the text and in the URL field, enter this code and head over and save that. If you want to do it on your code editor, I have in here this code that you can actually utilize using this way as well. Just enter this code style the HTML window where you would like to add your unsubscribed content place. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.